Hi, I'm talking to you from the middle of a nice wood, which seems to be the heart of nature. It is nature, but it's, you can say, in a way, an urban nature because we are in the middle of Budapest in a nice wood, nice park, where it's for everyone to enjoy strolling, running, watching the fauna and flora. And we are marking now the Day of the Environment. And on this occasion, I'm out in the woods to talk to you a little bit about it. And our environment is under constant threat. It is under constant threat because human beings are progressing and they are using too much the natural resources. And our planet, our Mother Earth, no matter how big it is, at the end of the day, we are exhausting our natural resources. Now, did you know that last year, the size of rainforests, which were lost mainly for cultivating land for cattle, is the size of the country of Switzerland. And this, by the way, is only 1/3 of the total amount of estimated wood that was lost last year because of industrialization. But we tend to focus now on rainwood because rainwoods are the most important segment in cleaning our environment, cleaning the air that we breathe, but also providing us with the oxygen needed for us in order to be able to survive this planet. Now, this is an ongoing problem, and I was exposed to it more than I thought that I would be in the last 2 years because I was Israel's special envoy dealing with sustainability and climate change. And whether we like it or not, climate is changing, the weather is changing, at the end it influences us all.